250 grams of sugar, 245 grams of self-raising flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Sift into the bowl. Stir until well combined. Add 120 ml of vegetable oil, 250 ml of water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir until there are no pockets of dry flour. Line a cupcake pan with cupcake liners. Use a scoop or a spoon to fill the cupcake liners until 2/3 full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick when placed in the center comes out clean. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.